Hi sir, how are you? I still remember the day and I really feel lucky when I met Anusha regarding one of my projects. So while I remember while we were in canteen, we were discussing about what are what we do in our free time, and she told me about the weekend sessions she is conducting. So then that's how I came to know about you. And the next weekend, sometime in June, I guess we met. And I I am not sure how much direction I have still got, but whenever I meet you, I I I get motivation to achieve something better from whatever I am today. Maybe it's my current knowledge base about the political or in economic scenario of our country, or maybe anything. Just I want to excel in whatever I am doing, and meeting you and conversing with you, the way you take any problem, the way you have enhanced my approach towards any problem has meant a lot to me. Apart from the various topics that we discuss, there are some underlying things that I always learn from you. The first thing is, even if if you don't have much knowledge of any of the topic, you can pick up few fine lines and put up your thoughts on that. So that remarks your confidence, and also the clear thought you propel in anybody of your list, each one of your listeners, to think clearly on any of the topics. So I just hope your guidance, your inspiration, and your motivation will always be with me no matter what. If I am not able to set up my goals and achieve them, then also there is always a lifelong learning I'll get being in touch with you, as you always inspire me from a I have an image like a saint man from Kerala. So you have been a good teacher. Like I have never in my academic life I have seen a person who was by choice a teacher. I have often seen people who were, because they were not able to achieve, they were not able to go to any other academic and any other professional life, so they were teaching and they were always not happy with wherever they were. But you have something to actually pass on to the younger generation, and something which a teacher should always abide by. You are an inspiration for many, and you I think more teachers should follow teaching as a profession and should learn from your passion. They should follow not as a daily chore, but as passionately as they do anything for themselves. Then only they can touch the heart of their pupils. So in that way, you are not only an inspiration for the students but also for the fellow teachers.